Budrum Ginger, which is a famous household Australian brand, actually started 80 years ago, and the Ginger Factory Tourist Park has been here for 40 years. We have a factory tour. We also have a bee auditorium. We have a beautiful sugarcane train called Morton. He does a complete lap of the 15-hectare park. And we have an overboard boat ride where the gingerbread man is trying to escape the bakers, and you travel the world following his journey. The Ginger Factory really does appeal to all demographics, but young families are probably the ones that love us the most. It is just such an iconic destination to visit on the Sunshine Coast. We have the most sensational tropical gardens, and people can just come here and wander around and enjoy the atmosphere.